Hi guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty. Today we're going to make our second Halloween soap. It is called Monster Mash, which is a great Halloween classic song. This is the Hawthorne recipe, so we're going to get started straight away. In my lye water, I have distilled water, sodium hydroxide, salt, and sugar. And we're going to get this all out of here. Not all of my salt and sugar seem to have dissolved. Uh-oh, I forgot my yogurt in the fridge. I guess that's going to cool our batter down, isn't it? Hold on. At least my fridge is right here. You know what? I'm going to stick this in the microwave just for a minute. Hold on. Well, not for a minute, for 15 seconds. Alright, so let's get this just before emulsion. Alrighty, we're going to put our yogurt in there. I hope you guys had a good week. I did. It's been a busy week. You know, I've been prepping to make all of these holiday soaps, both our Halloween soaps and our fall and Christmas soaps. So, okay, I'm going to get this up to emulsion and then we'll go over the colors. Alrighty then. Okay, so let me get this cleaned off here. Hopefully we won't have to. In my notebook, my batch book from, last year, I didn't write whether or not this fragrance riced. Usually I have a section. I'll have to show you guys my batch book one of these days and how I do things with that. I don't have any information about the fragrance oil, which is really strange. So we have Purple Playhouse by Crafter's Choice. We have Apple Green by Crafter's Choice. And we have Activated Charcoal. Okay, so the purple and the green are going to be accent colors. You know what, let me get Freddie out of here. There. Put him over there. And we are going to pour our accent colors. And then most of this is going to be black. Get a little bit more purple and green. And then we'll put the rest of this in the activated charcoal. I love doing this soap. When I was making the embeds, my granddaughter helped me unmold them and she was so excited. Because I don't think, she's 4 now, so I don't think I let her mess with stuff last year. So we'll see. Okay. Alright, let me mix these up. Get our Purple Playhouse. Oh, I guess I could have added my fragrance. That way you guys didn't have to watch me stir these twice. The fragrance we're using, I know I forgot to tell you, is called Trick or Treat by Nature's Garden. It's a lovely scent. It's very sweet and awesome. I will leave the notes in the description box below. We need to make sure that this is a very, very black. It's very thick. I put quite a bit of activated charcoal in there. So, alright, let me fragrance this. And I'll have to make sure to take proper notes this time. Oh, smells so gorgeous. The apple jumps out at you like right away in this one. It's definitely beautiful. It's got some cinnamon notes. At least that's what it smells like to me. And usually with cinnamon things speed up, but like I said, I don't have any information in my batch book about it speeding up, and it doesn't look like it is. Alright, let's get our mold over here. Using one of my blue molds, or one of my new molds. My blue molds. Well, it is blue. Let me make sure I have all of that out of there. Okay, so we're going to pour some black first. I'm going to pour most of it. And then some purple. I'm going to pour most of my purple in here. I'm just going to leave a little bit for the top. And same with the green. We're going to pour this one side to side. It's so funny, I literally have all of, you know, how I pour it and everything in my batch book. I'll have to show you. We'll have to go over all of that. And then again with the black. And I can leave this as a drop swirl. I don't have to do any additional swirling with this. Let me just get it all out of here. Okay, I'll stop scraping like a crazy woman. Because sometimes, you know, I can scrape the plastic off of stuff. Alright, so I'm going to have to let it set up. And this is one of those soaps that I will spray with alcohol. And I will continue to spray with alcohol about every half an hour. Until it's set up completely, because it's warm. It's August 1st and it's very warm outside, so we have to keep that soda ash away. But I have embeds to put on the top, and I want to put the other color on the top before I do a design, so it's going to take a minute for this to set up. So once it's set up, I will come back and we will empty the other ones on there and put the embeds on. Be right back. Goodness, I forgot to turn the camera on. Let me get you guys in closer. Let me move this out of here. I started putting my purple on the top. And I was like, oh crap, I don't have the camera on. With this one, I even wrote in there that, you know, put the darker color on the top. Alright, oh! There we go. And the green apple. Got a Pollock thing going on, making a big old honking mess. But y'all know what I say. You ain't soaping right if you ain't making a mess. Oh. And it's still going to have to set up more to support my embeds after I swirl this. Just because my embeds are very heavy. They're made with cold processed soap, so they're heavier than usual. Alright, so let's get our oh, I love this. There we go. Alright. I am going to put, let me tap it down. I am going to put some glitter on here before I put my embeds on. I always do. We use Super Sparkle, just so there's sparkle underneath the embeds. And like I said, we're going to have to wait for it to set up completely, otherwise my embeds are just going to fall in. So we will be back. We're back. We have some bones to put on this. Not all of the bones are going on here, but the ones that are, I'm going to alcohol. You know what, let me take my gloves off. Because sometimes I can't hold on to these when I have my gloves on. So I will stick these in there. So we have a torso and a hand, and they're just going to be placed randomly. And a little bone. And another little bone. I have a foot. There's a foot. So, like I said, they're just going to be placed random. And I have little skulls that go there. And I kind of push them down in there so they're going to stick, because they're going to get cut through for the most part. Let's put another foot on there. And there's a skin on the top of that because of, oh, that's not the right skull. I need those skulls for something else. Where's the other skull for that one? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Those are from my Punisher soap. Oh, found it. Nope, that's not it either. Dang it. Oh, there it is. Found it. We're going to put another head right there. And another bone. Ooh, let's put another torso on there first before we do bones. Because I think they're all that we're really going to be able to put on there now is bones. I'm going to put a bone right here. And how about a hand right here. And then one more bone right here. There we go. That looks good. Okay. Oops, sorry, I bumped you. I'm sorry. Alright, I'm going to put a little bit more glitter on here. Just a little bit. And I will bring you guys down for a close-up of Monster Mash. Okay, so here's a close-up of Monster Mash. Can't really see it very well, can ya? Let's turn it this way. We'll come up over it. Those colors look a little bit muddled on the top, but once we cut it, you'll see. So I'm going to let this sit for 18 to 24 hours, and we're going to cut this bad boy. I will see you then. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, we are back to cut Monster Mash. Let me tighten my wire. I forgot. And put my glasses on. That would be helpful, too. We did get some soda ash. Ooh, I just bumped that on my cutter. We did get some soda ash on there. Let me fix that little spot that I just bumped. Uh-oh. Okay. Gosh, it smells amazing. Alright, we're going to take a little end piece off. This is just going to be a little teeny end piece because I really don't want to cut into these. Oh, I did a little bit. Ooh, look at that. It's going to be beautiful. Bring you guys closer. There we go. Or bring my cutter closer to you. Anyway. Oh, what am I doing? Okay. My cutter is making all kinds of noise. Let me loosen this bolt so you guys don't have to listen to that the whole time. Oh, I love it. Look at that, guys. That is gorgeous. And then, yes, we did cut through the bones and everything, but you can still tell they're bones. So, oh my goodness. Gorgeousness. Gorgeous. I love this combination of colors, whether it's Halloween or not. When I paint my studio, I'm going to do it in this deep royal purple, an accent wall in the deep royal purple, and use like a, it's not really a seafoam green, it's more like a celery green for the rest of the walls. I just love the combination of purple and green. And purple in ancient Egypt was the color of both power, and it was the goddess Isis. It's a color that represents her. So it goes right along with our little theme there. Although my husband and I have been talking, because, you know, when we get a storefront, which hopefully, I mean, it didn't happen this year. It's not going to happen this year because of COVID and everything, but hopefully next year we'll be able to get into a storefront. And we talked about making it look like, you know, you're walking into an Egyptian temple. I just think that would be so awesome. It would be so awesome. You know, I'm going to paint a mural on the wall and all that kind of stuff with all kinds of different hieroglyphs, and I want to put a big old Eye of Horus on a wall, you know, just stuff like that. It would be so much fun. It would take us a while to, you know, complete, but we're actually talking about buying a building, like something that used to be a restaurant, so that way I have all the plumbing and everything intact for that way I can go there every day and, you know, actually make the soap that needs to be made. Everything will be kept there. Some stuff will be kept here just because, you know, I still like to soap here, you know, and or, you know, I guess I could take it back and forth, I suppose, depending on what needed to be done at any given time, because I pretty much make soap every day, you guys. Or in beds, or, you know, whatever. So gosh, I just love it. I love it, love it, love it. I cannot wait for my customers to see this one. We're gonna put all our Halloween stuff out the first week in September, just like the fall solstice soap. So the Halloween stuff will come out with the fall stuff. It's beautiful. I put so much activated charcoal in this. So, alright, got one more slice and then we'll have some samples. Gosh, it does. It smells, oh, it smells so good. The apple in it just like bloomed in the, oh, a little bit further. It just bloomed in the batter, so. Oh, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All right, guys. You have a great weekend, and I will see you, I believe, on Tuesday. Bye-bye.